Sup. What's up, babe?
At least for this podcast, welcome to Adobe.
Welcome to Adobe, guys. Very warm welcome. It's really cold in here. It's almost 6 degrees Celsius in Greater Noida.
In the morning, guys,
It's 2 in the morning. 2 night owls in the podcast. And today we're going to talk about some interesting things like AI, about ChatGPT. And there's also something like Adobe. And we also talk about our new digital fashion project that we have recently completed, prototype of it. So, yeah, Chris, what do you have to say?
Yeah, so it's very cold here. What to say about our project? It is very interesting in a way, as it's gonna change how, by the end of this podcast, it's gonna change how do you think about the whole design process on fast. So our brand name is
Aletorioo.
Aletorioo. It's a digital fashion studio.
So what does Aletorioo stand for? What is Aletorioo?
Aletorioo, what does it stand for? It's a very interesting story. But what is the story? Aletorioo means the ultimate utopia of my vision. What's the utopia?
Lands. Yeah. Utopia. To my understanding, Utopia is a place where everything is pixel perfect. At least in the digital world, it should be pixel perfect. That people should really enjoy it and feel same about. Everyone should feel same about it. At least the people of Europe should understand the same. And so can you tell me more about digital fashion?
Likewise, I want to add on that.
Okay.
Likewise, Aletorioo is our utopia of utopia. It's a vision that we have created for everyone alike. We are going to build a community of creative people who are into fashion and technology combined. So our project is a combination of both. It's a pinnacle in fashion technology, along with our own design perception and visual expression of the ultimate utopia.
So let me sum up for you guys. Like, Aletorioo is nothing; it doesn't have meaning. Aletorioo is something that will build around the years. Then we can call it. This is the Aletorioo. This is the utopia. That's our vision that we have created. We want to create a story-based website rather than just selling the products with the nonsense design to it. We want to sell something that has a story to it, that has some vision to it, and that's our scope. At least for now. I don't know. It's dynamic. It might change, and so the people, I guess, want to know what's the actually is the digital fashion.
Yeah, it's a very, very broad spectrum. I don't think I will be able to display it in one go or one night. It's already 2 and we need to sleep. But to summarize it up, I'll give you some examples. Most of you might have played any video games online that are connected to the internet, or just not connected to the internet, any video game per se. Like, you might have played any GTA game when you were a kid, or maybe you are still playing. So the blue shirt that your guy Tommy University was wearing, it was inspired from something. It was created on a 3D software, and that guy was wearing it, but you felt that skin of yourself. So it gave you a perception that you are wearing it yourself. So it is the basic and the most primitive type of digital fashion. It has been growing and growing and growing. It has seen a lot of growth. The kids today, they play PUBG and Fortnite and Roblox and many other things. They purchase digital assets, their skills and game, clothing, anything they are spending money on. So that's a digital clothing. It's a digital asset in a clothing form. So another example. This is there are some examples like that. The another example of digital clothing is, you might have seen the filter, Snapchat filter with the dog, tongue of a dog. I guess everyone has used that filter. Likewise, there are new filters and new technology that are coming up that will map your body, track your movement, and whatever it designed, whatever garment it is designed for the occasion, it will map on the body, and it seems like you are wearing the garment itself. So why is it needed now? Why do we need that? So nobody likes to post a separate picture of the same clothing. We want new, fresh everything. We don't want to repeat our clothing, but we also want the world to be greener and more sustainable and whatnot. So this is an easy way out and a very trendy and very innovative way out, saving up to 89% of global carbon emission that is caused by clothing. So this could be the future that maybe someday everyone are gonna be just naked around and they are gonna wear needed clothes. And
That might be
no.
that might be the future. We really don't know about it. To basically sum it up, digital fashion is not something futuristic. It's always been there. It's been there from
It's in there.
and like we have seen the animation, the character design and everything. It's always been there. It's a part of society, but we are now feeling it that it's not only into the screens that it should be limited. It should be also a lifestyle basically. Digital fashion is not something that's digital, virtual.
Lifestyle in form of pixels.
Yeah. Yep. That's crazy. That's crazy. So yeah, the technology is growing.
With the view.
The technology is growing really fast, and recently the AI has also come up with the new feature. Like from it started with the Dalle, the movie started with Dalle. AI existed in some forms earlier, but yeah, it was really raise of curiosity when people started hearing about Dalle, and it was very sad to see the reaction from the artists' friends, right? So another AI, ChatGPT from the same OpenAI, which is also funded by Elon Musk. Surprisingly, I didn't knew about it earlier. That also is really useful. We have been using it for our company too, and might be this script is also written by ChatGPT. But I don't think it's that perfect, so not worry about it. It's not that worse. It's really great.
There is two perspectives to this. There are people who are scared that is take away their jobs and replace them and whatnot. But there are other top 1% of people in the world who are using that tool
To exceed in their daily life performances, yeah.
to beat out the competition, to run faster than other slow later operators. So what we are doing is we are on our we had a university submission for our degree, so we were out of time. Like they were not enough time to write a complete paper, but we had the idea on what we should write on. We launched up the AI tool and we gave it a quick command prompt, and it wrote the entire thing.
Yeah, that's really crazy.
We obviously did our corrections and our paraphrasing, but it gave us a wireframe to work on and to expand upon. So that's really good thing and a really good way of using the technology in your side.
Surely the AI is there to replace some of the jobs, that's for sure, and it's also for the advancement of the human civilization. There needs some change, there needs some upgrade. Things need to be more easier, things need to be more efficient to be done rather than using lots of human resources and the smaller tasks. So AI is really helping with that, and I think we should look into the positive side of it rather than negative side of it. Definitely there is some of the content creator will be replaced, I guess so. I don't know, but
there are too many people. We need a new plate.
Yeah, really good.
And if this is the new one.
Yeah. Earlier the artists were worried, now content creators are somehow worried about it. But I guess now it's not that advanced that it can do everything for you. It's not really connected to internet. It works on its independent data that is fed into it. Earlier, it doesn't know the future. If I ask something like about the horoscope of tomorrow, it will not be able to tell. It's not about to tell anything futuristic. It will only tell you. It will only help you for the records that it has for the past. And that's crazy. With that, AI, ChatGPT, and other Adobe have also launched beta version of its AI, which is used for video, audio enhancement. And yeah, there is also something coming up for the podcast. And I guess
So one really cool thing, this audio clip, which you might think we are recording it on a professional mic or professional setup. You can't see a professional setup, but you can hear it. We are recording it on a small. Yeah, we are recording it on an iPhone, which is a 3-year-old iPhone. But we have used the AI to our advantage to basically create and make it better, remove the background noises, remove the echo, boost our vocals, and basically produce a crisp voice. And it can also do ASMR video audio. Sorry. So yeah, audio podio guys.
yeah. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for listening today.
And but today
we are grateful that you are here in our first podcast. And please subscribe to Adobe by Aletorioo. And yeah, we'll come up with more of the information that is more relevant. And yeah, thank you guys. We'll see you later.
We are gonna be around for a long time. Yeah, that was for today.
Bye.
Yeah, peace. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour on what AI tools that we use to create our videos and contents for online use. So first is Adobe Podcast AI for enhancing audio. So whatever we record, we just drag and drop here, and this is gonna enhance the audio, remove the noise, background noise, echo, and everything. So yeah. This is gonna load up. I'll show you this after a while. So next thing what we do is whatever the video we have recorded, we use Clideo's video enhancer to remove the noise and adjust the brightness, contrast, saturation, and everything. So this is the second tool that we use. The third one is Dalle by OpenAI. So here you can log in and join the waitlist, and I will give you a quick tour on what to do here. So liquid desert thermal imagery. So this is gonna create some images. It's gonna generate some images using AI, and it's gonna generate in style of a thermal imagery camera. So these are some images that it has generated, and I like this one, so I'll select this, and here is the option to create some variations. We're gonna create some variations of this image. Yeah, so this is gonna take a while. This tool is still in beta, so here this is our original image, and these are some variations it has created. So I can say we download it. We can use some other tools like Photoshop and Liquify to manipulate it for our own use and use it on a clothing as a print or embroidery or anything you can. So this is a really quick tool that you can use for vividness. So next up, it is uploading here. So yeah, the thumbnail for this YouTube video has been created using thumbnail AI tool. So you can go on this website and generate it, enter your command prompts and generate it from here. You can manipulate it and everything. You can do it from here. So one more I want to show is ChatGPT. It is a copywriting tool. You can just ask anything in the world and it is gonna provide an answer. So I've got a really cool Chrome extension for it. So I'm gonna type in consumer attitude towards digital fashion. So yeah, it's gonna search on Google. So the Google has provided us some scholarly articles, some website links and everything, but I don't get real answer without searching and researching for hours. But what ChatGPT extension is doing here, it is just writing up whatever is it has data for, and it's gonna write a whole page on the topic you have searched on. Yep. So this is really helpful, and you can like rate it if you like the thing or not. So yeah, this is really useful tool that I use on a everyday basis. So we can also um, make it read aloud. So
Digital fashion refers to fashion that is created.
yeah, you can change the audio from different in different form.
Created, marketed, and consumed primarily.
This is really funny. So you can use all these tools to create something really cool. Yeah, so this is still uploading. I think this is going to take some time. So I'll just play you some sample image, sample audio.
I'm in a conference room, open window open.
So this is the base video that will be recorded in a cloud environment, and I'm gonna play the enhanced speech from this AI.
It's pretty echoey in our too. The best place to record audio. Yeah, with enhanced speech. All.
Yeah, so there is a demo for how you can use this tool to get a microphone quality audio. This whole video has been enhanced using this podcast. We have just recorded on our old iPhone. Yeah, so ours is done. I'm gonna play it real quick. So this is without enhancement. So there's a lot of noise of it.
Sentence.
For our podcast, welcome to Adobe.
Welcome to Adobe, guys.
Yeah, there was a lot of noise and background echo, and let's enhance it.
Very warm. It was very cold in here. It's almost 60 degrees Celsius in Greater Noida.
The morning, guys. Really cool. Enhance it to a studio level back of quality. So these tools are really useful, and you can use it in your own way. Yeah, so that was it for today. Please subscribe to our channel, and please join us and come back for more interesting things. Thank you.